Early to bed, early to rise, makes a child healthy, wealthy, and wise. Good morning, children. Good morning, all of you. Welcome you in your English classroom. Children, before this, you have done a lots of exercises related to the chapter gender. Have you done lots of exercises in chapter gender? Yes. All of you have done the exercises properly in your notebook, and before doing you have watched the video very attentively. So today we will do, children, worksheet 4 of the chapter gender. Worksheet 4 of the chapter gender, the exercises is complete the story by changing the gender of the noun in each line. Children, in each line there is one sentence. Okay, in each sentence the noun word is given. You have to pick up that particular noun word, and that noun word will be changed into what it will change into. You have to change the noun its gender form. If the noun will be in male, then you have to change in female form. If the noun will be in female form, feminine form, then you will have to change in masculine form. Okay, you have learnt already masculine, feminine, and common gender. About common gender, all these terms you know it very well. So we will start doing. Okay, first one. Once upon a time there lived a wizard in a jungle. What you have to do in this line? Once upon a time there lived a wizard. What you have to do in this line? You have to first color the wizard. Okay, I am coloring this word, okay, because you will attract to this word, and you get it that you have to change these words. This is the noun word, children. This is the noun form, the wizard form. So the wizard form is, the wizard is male, and you have to change it in feminine form. It is in masculine form. Wizard का क्या मतलब होता है? जादूगर. ओके, तो जादूगर का अपोजिट फेमिनिन फॉर्म क्या है? विच. ओके, जादूगरनी. ओके, तो नाउ वी विल मेक द सेंटेंस. हम लोग बनाएंगे, क्या बनाएंगे? Once upon a time there lived a wizard. Not wizard will be changed into witch, and after which, in a jungle. Now complete the sentence. Spell the word. Once upon a time there lived a witch in a jungle. Okay, एक बार की बात है, एक जादूगरनी रहती थी जंगल में. Now the second sentence. He was very kind-hearted, but his wife was very cruel. So first you have to color the noun word. This is the pronoun word you have to also color. So you have to change this also, pronoun word also. Then I have colored it. Okay. Now the next one, I have colored it. This is also I have colored it, and wife also. Okay. We will have to change these word. We will have to change these word into its gender form. We have to change its gender form. Then what will be that? Then he will change into she. She was very kind. She was very kind-hearted. But he changed into her. His का opposite क्या है? His is feminine. His is masculine form, and it will change into feminine form, her. And after that, wife will be husband. H-U-S, husband. Wife will be husband. Husband was very cruel. Was very cruel. What will? Cruel. Now spell the sentence. She was very kind-hearted. Means the witch was very kind-hearted, but her husband was very cruel. In third sentence, children, the wizard would always help everyone who was in trouble. I have picked up the noun word, the wizard. And you know very well that wizard is masculine word. So you have to change it in feminine form. So we will change like this. The wizard will be witch. The witch would always help everyone who was in trouble. Witch जादूगरनी जो है वो दूसरों की, हर दूसरे लोगों की मदद किया करती थी, जबकि उनके हस्बैंड विज़र्ड जो था वो बहुत ही क्रूएल नेचर था. वो किसी का हेल्प नहीं करते थे. वो बहुत ही क्रूएल स्वभाव के थे. Now in fourth line, the witch with her magic wand caused problem for the people. The witch with her magic wand. In this line, the noun word I have picked up, children. You will also choose the word witch. Okay, which you have to turn it in wizard form, because witch is feminine form and you have to change in masculine form. Then I will change here in wizard form. With her change into his. Okay, his magic wand caused problem for the people. जादूगर. Now changed the wizard with his magic wand. Do you know the meaning of wand? Magic wand. It is like a magic stick. Okay, it is like a magic stick by which you can get anything. You can get good foods, delicious food. You can get your dream. Okay. So the wizard with his magic wand caused प्रॉब्लम फॉर द पीपल. जो जादूगर था उसके पास एक मैजिकल वॉन्ड था, जादू की छड़ी थी, जिसको लेके वो सारे लोगों के लिए समस्याएं खड़ा करता था. ओके, तो जादूगर जो है वो कैसा था? वेरी क्रूएल, एंड ही often create problem to the others. He often create problems to the people. Okay, now we will proceed to the next sentence number 5. One day, Emperor of Afghanistan and the Duke of Kent were, in this the two pronoun pronoun I have choose. The first one is emperor and second one is duke. Now you will also change in early exercises. The emperor is the king. Okay, then it is in masculine form, and you will have to change in how will you change? Emperor will be changed into empress form, empress, and duke will be changed into duchess. Okay, duke is also in masculine form. So one day empress, okay, EMPRESS, okay. One day empress of Afghanistan, and the duke changes into duchess of Kent, where एक समय की बात है, एक दिन अफगानिस्तान की रानी एम्प्रेस एंड कहाँ का एंड द डचेस ऑफ केंट, और केंट की रानी, ओके, डचेस ऑफ केंट, दोनों कहीं जा रहे होंगे. let we see what will happen. Passing through the jungle on their horses. Okay, वो लोग जंगल से पास हो रहे थे किस चीज़ पे? घोड़े पे सवार होकर. Then in this line the noun word is horse, and horse is in masculine form. You have to change it in feminine form. What will be the feminine form, children, of horse? It's mare. Okay, now we will make the sentence in this way. Passing through the jungle on their mare. वो लोग कैसे जा रहे थे? Passing through the jungle on the mare. Opposite of the female horse पे जा रहे थे, वो लोग feminine horse पे जा रहे थे. Now in 7th sentence, the witch saw them coming and thought to herself. In this sentence, we will choose which. Saw them coming and thought to herself. Herself we will also have to change. I will make the sentence in the form the wizard, which is changed into wizard saw them coming. Wizard means जादूगर देखा वो लोगों को आते हुए. Them coming and thought और सोचा to himself. ठीक है, उनके बारे में. Hey, let me trouble them. मुझे उन लोगों को परेशान करना चाहिए. And steal their peacock, और steal means children चुराना. Okay, steal किसी के सामान को चुराते हैं, but don't steal other things. Okay, but wizard क्योंकि क्रूएल था, wizard लोगों के लिए परेशानियाँ खड़ा करता था, इसीलिए उसने प्लान किया क्या? Steal their peacock, मतलब वो लोग के साथ उनके मुर्गे पिकॉक आ रहे थे, उनको वो चुराना चाहता था. He. We will change this sentence, children. In this only peacock word is noun form and peacock is in masculine form. So you will have to change it in feminine form, peahen. Okay. Now change it. Hey, let me trouble them and steal their peahen. Okay. Peacock word is changed into peahen. जादूगर ने बोला रुक जाओ, मुझे उन लोगों को परेशान करने दो, उसकी मैं मुर्गों को चुरा लेता हूँ. The wizard heard her and decided to help the travelers. Okay, wizard. In this sentence, we will pick wizard word and her word and no word will be there. Okay, so change it. The wizard will be changed into which. Okay, the wizard will be changed into which. Okay, children, the wizard will be changed into which means जादूगरनी. So write it there. The witch, WITCH. The witch heard him and decided to help the travelers. Help the travelers. विच ने जादूगरनी ने क्या डिसाइड किया? उसने सारा कुछ सुन लिया. जो विज़िट बात कर रहा था लोगों को परेशान करने का, वो विच ने बात सुन लिया एंड heard him and decided, और क्या डिसाइड किया? To help the travelers. Travelers means जो रास्ते में आने वाले सवारी थे उनको मदद करने का सोच लिया. Now you will get the story. These lines will be turned into a story form. Have you heard the story? Have you get it the story? Once we will repeat the story, once we will repeat the sentence so that you can easily write in your copy, okay, and easily understand, okay. So we will have to repeat the story once again. Once upon a time there lived a witch in a jungle. एक बार की बात है, एक जादूगरनी जंगल में रहा करती थी. She was very kind-hearted. वह बड़ी ही दयालु थी. But her husband was very cruel. लेकिन उनके husband जो थे वो बड़े ही निर्दयी थे. The witch would always help everyone who was in trouble. जादूगरनी जो थी वो सारे लोगों की मदद किया करती थी जो लोग परेशानियों में रहते थे. The wizard with his magic wand caused problem for the people. लेकिन जो जादूगर था वो उनके पास हमेशा एक जादू की छड़ी रहती थी जिससे वो दूसरों को हमेशा समस्याएं खड़े किए रहते थे. One day, Empress of Afghanistan and the Duchess of Kent were. एक दिन की बात है, अफगानिस्तान और केंट की जो महारानी लोगों थी वो passing through the jungle on the mare. मैर पे सवार होके वो लोग जंगल से आ रहे थे. The wizard saw them coming and thought to himself. जैसे ही जादूगर ने देखा उन लोगों को आते उसके दिमाग में कुछ आया. Hey, let me trouble them and steal their peacock. उनके दिमाग में आया कि इन लोगों को परेशान किया जाए और उनके पीहन को चुरा ले, उनकी मुर्गियों को चुरा ले. The witch heard him and decided to help the traveler. लेकिन जादूगरनी क्योंकि बहुत अच्छी थी, जादूगरनी ने ये सारा सुन लिया था. क्या सुन लिया? जादूगर जो परेशानियां खड़ा करने वाला था वो सारा जादूगरनी ने सुन लिया था. The witch heard him and decided to help the traveler. और उन्होंने यह डिसाइड किया जो रास्ते में राहगीर थे उनको मदद करने का. Now repeat once again. Once upon a time there lived a witch in a jungle. She was very kind-hearted but her husband was very cruel. The witch would always help everyone who was in trouble. The wizard with his magic wand caused problem for the people. One day, Empress of Afghanistan and the Duchess of Kent were passing through the jungle on their mare. Opposite of horses, mare. Horse is the masculine children. So the opposite, so the feminine form will be mare. In fifth one also, emperor is king. It is in masculine form and we will change it in empress form. Duke is also male form and we will change in duchess. Okay, Maharani. So that passing through the jungle on the mare. Now in this sentence the wizard saw them coming and thought to himself, which is changed into wizard children, herself changed into himself. herself changed into himself. Herself is the feminine form and himself will be the masculine form. Hey, hey, let me trouble them and steal their peahen. Sorry. Hey, hey, let me trouble them and steal their peahen. Okay, उनकी मुर्गियों को चुराने का प्लान कर लिया. Okay, and the opposite of peacock, it's peahen. Peacock, it is male form, it is masculine form, and the feminine form of peacock is peahen. 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 Okay, now the third one, the witch. The wizard changed into witch. The witch hurt him. Her will be changed into him, children. Here her will be not changed into his. Okay, because heard his, and this is the sentence is incorrect. So hurt him. The witch hurt him and decided to help the travelers So are you getting this story? The story is very good. You can also make it. You can also write in your copy the story with changing the gender form, choosing the proper noun and changing its gender form. In this way you can write in copy by covering the particular word and change the word that will be, you will have to change it in. Okay children, thank you. We will meet in next class. Thank you children.